Okay, Brooks just rolled over. Let's see if he'll do it again. Roll over, Brooks. Roll over. Roll over. You do it again? Look over here. It's over here. Roll over, Brooks. Do it. You can do it. Roll over. You can do it, buddy. He's trying. He's trying. Do it. Roll over. Over here. Look over here. It's over here. Good boy. Say it again, Reed. Good boy. Say, come on, buddy. Come on, baby Brooks. Roll over. You can do it. Say, you can do it. Yay! Oh, I scare you. Good job, baby. Say, what is today? It is May 16th, and you are 7 weeks old, and you just rolled over from your belly to your back. Good job, Munchkin. What? Can you say, Reed, look at the camera. You say, good job, Brooks. Okay. Good job, baby boy. Good job, baby boy. Good job, baby boy.